How to turn off automatic story saving on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic story saving to memories on Snapchat. So here, if you prefer your Snapchat stories to stay temporary and not be stored automatically, this video is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now from here, at the top right corner, you can see the gear icon. So just tap on that and you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as memories. So just tap on it and here inside the memories settings tap on Autosave my story snap option. And here you will see few options. From there simply select don't autosave. And once you have done that, from now on your stories will only last 24 hours and won't be saved to your memories unless you save them manually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.